What is good, y'all? My name is Nick Engvall. This is my automotive channel. This is a channel that I talk about cars. More specifically, in this episode, I'm going to talk about my Honda Element. But this actually is just a quick little trick for anybody that actually has a Honda or any vehicle that has a little bit of a wear and tear on the steering wheel. A lot of the steering wheels have like a chrome emblem on them. And I'm just going to get into like a quick fix, because when you ask around on the forums and on the Facebook groups and all that, you always get like snappy replies. You don't really know which one actually works. So I'm actually going to give this chrome paint marker set a shot. And this was like, I want to say 10 bucks off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out or grab a set for yourself. This one comes with a 0.7 millimeter, a 1 millimeter, and a 3 millimeter paint marker. It's basically a chrome finish, so to speak. Now, this won't be perfect. It's not a replacement emblem. It's not going to be like super, super nice. But for those of you that just want a quick fix to make it look a little bit better than that worn down kind of ugly yellow color that it turns into, I think this could work really well. I'm going to give it a shot and you'll be able to see the results as I do it. So let's get into it. This is on my 2008 Honda Element, but any modern Honda will have the same wear patterns typically across the steering wheel. But for my Honda Element people, this is actually one of those annoying little quirks that we love to hate, hate to love type of situation. So let's see if it works. All right, we're starting off with the 1 millimeter. Cover the cap and shake the pen. Press the nib to let out air. Press the nib down continuously until the ink oozes out. I'm seeing it a little bit there. It's taking a little bit though. All right. All right, so here you can see the results. I let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. I think it looks pretty good. You know, the proper way to do this would be to sand down the emblem and repaint it, which would probably be best to just remove the emblem and replace it with a new one. But 15 minutes of your time is a quick and easy fix to honestly address an issue that you look at every time you drive your car. So to me, it's totally worth the quick fix in this case. And, you know, maybe one day I'll get around to actually replacing this emblem. But I obviously have some more things to do on the Element, so we'll have to wait and see. I think I am going to try to redo this ring at some point too. Just another one of those things that I think could be fixed up to be a little bit nicer. Not 100% sure if I want to change the color of it or not. I do have this kind of matching dirty interior here, but that like tribal print type stuff on my inserts. So we'll see. Now you know you can believe those people in the comments that are always telling you this is the quick fix. I've never seen anybody actually show results of it. I'm not by any means the last line of answers for anything Honda Element, but I love this car a lot and I'm going to put some more energy and time and money and effort into making it what I want it to be. So hopefully you'll hit subscribe and join me. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the drive. Peace.